In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 things that you can do to optimize your Windows 10 PC or laptop for gaming. But before we get started, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We have almost hit 45,000 subscribers and it would be absolutely amazing if we could hit 50,000. And you know, if you enjoyed this video, we are always producing more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do is right click on your taskbar and you then need to open Task Manager. You now need to go ahead and click on Startup. And you now need to just go through the list of your startup items and just simply disable anything you do not use. So for example, I have Cortana there, which is enabled. I can go ahead and disable this because I do not need that when I'm gaming. I have also Skype, which is actually already disabled, but I could go ahead and disable this as well if I didn't use Skype while I'm gaming. So the more you disable, the faster Windows 10 will launch and sign in, and also it's less programs that will be running in the background when you're playing your games, which then means you will have more valuable resources available for your games. So the next thing we want to do is just ensure we have game mode enabled. So to do this, all you need to do is right click on the Windows Start menu icon. You then need to click on Settings. And you now need to go ahead and click on Gaming, and you now need to click on Game Mode. You need to ensure this option is turned on, and this will basically optimize Windows to make it run better for your games. Sometimes though, Game Mode can actually make your games run worse. So it's a bit of a trial and error when it comes to Game Mode. Turn it on, see how your game runs. If it runs better, then obviously keep the option on. If it doesn't run so well with game mode on, then turn it off and then see if that helps your game. So the next thing we now want to do is change our performance and appearance of Windows. We need to open up the Start menu and you now need to simply type in Adjust and then Appearance and Performance of Windows. You need to open up this option and you now need to click on Visual Effects. And as you can see at the moment, I have everything turned on, which means Windows 10 is currently looking its best. However, when I'm playing a game, I don't care how Windows looks, because it doesn't affect the game at all. So we can go ahead and adjust this for best performance, which means it will turn off a lot of the visual effects for Windows. Once you have turned this all off, go ahead and press Apply. And you can now go ahead and press OK. That will now free up more resources which we can then use for our games, allowing the games to run a lot faster, improve your FPS, and just basically improve everything within the game. We now need to ensure we have the high performance power plan turned on. So to do this, all you need to do is open up the Start menu again. You now need to type in Control, and we now need to open Control Panel. We now need to go ahead and click on Power Options. Also, if you can't see Power Options, just change the few by to small icons. And we can now go ahead and select Power Options. And you now need to click on Show Additional Plans and then click on High Performance. You may have just noticed that I am actually using an Ultimate Performance. So I will put a link to our website in the description below, which will show you how you can enable Ultimate Performance mode on your computer if you want to use that power plan. It's basically that little bit better than the high performance, which will give your computer more power, allowing your hardware to run a lot better, which will result in your games running even better. Once you have changed the power plan to either high performance or the Ultimate Performance power plan, the next thing we want to do is ensure our games are running in high performance graphics mode. So to do this, all we need to do is right click on the Start menu icon. You now need to click on Settings. We now need to go ahead and click on System, and we now want to click on Display. You now need to scroll all the way down and then click on Graphics Settings, and you now need to select Desktop App, and you now need to click Browse. You then need to browse for your game. I'm going to use Battlefield as the example in this video. Once you have found your games.exe or shortcut, go ahead and select it and then press add. You now need to click on options and you now need to select high performance and then press save. This will ensure that Windows 10 is always running that game that you add in high performance. You can add as many games or programs to this list as you like. Also, as a little bonus thing you can do as well, if you have the option available in Windows 10, depending on what graphics card you have, turning on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling can also help improve the performance of your games. So if you do have this option available above graphics performance preference, turn this on. You will then need to restart your computer, but definitely turn this option on and it really can help with your games. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy this video and it has also helped improve how your games run. Don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.